Hey Bling crew, welcome back. It is Shannon with Bling Your Things, and today I am very excited to unbox our April Bling Box and show you all of the Bling goodies that were included in this month's box. For those of you who don't know what the Bling Boxes are, they are a monthly mystery box that are curated around a new theme each month. The boxes are packed with lots of bling items. Each month, you will receive 5 to 6 full-size rhinestone products. There will also be 1 to 2 bling projects to go along with the monthly theme. Also included is 1 to 2 themed rhinestone patterns or SVG designs. We also include free shipping on the boxes. And as an added bonus, we include exclusive promotions or discounts that you can only receive by being a member of the monthly boxes. I absolutely love putting together the bling boxes for you guys. My goal is to give you guys more time to bling and create and less time searching for rhinestones in supplies. So let's get going. I'm excited to show you what's in this month's box. We actually had 3 projects in this month's box, and I am really excited about the first 2 that I'm going to show you. Both of these products are from the company MakerFlo. First up is their mechanical pencil, and then their crafter's gel pen. They actually created the designs for both of these products, and they have a patent pending on their design. I mean, how cool is that? They saw that there really wasn't a product out there for crafters that they didn't have to make modifications to in order to use them for certain things like sublimation. So they created these amazing pens and pencils with removable chambers. And for those of us who rhinestone, this means way less prep time. No more removing clips and shaving down excess plastic. The prep time with these are minimal, literally just sand, clean with alcohol, and they are ready to bling. So be sure to check out our other tutorial where I show you just how easy it is to use these. The next item I included is to help keep you organized because I know just how hard it can be to keep all your rhinestones organized in one place. There is 5 storage containers that you can store your rhinestones in. These are the same containers that are included in our starter kits and our larger storage containers. So you can very easily swap these out if you already have one of those kits. And the final project that we had in the box this month is a 6-inch clear acrylic tray. You can use this as a tray or you could use it as a picture. It's really up to you what you want to use it for. You can bling like the whole back. You could rhinestone the sides. I have a design where I put vinyl on the back and then I put a name over it, and then I'm going to stand it up on a shelf. There is a free SVG design for Mother's Day that can be cut out of vinyl that is available on our website. I will post a link in the description below if you need a little inspiration on what to make with this as well. And now for the fun part, the bling. There was a total of 60 gross of flatbacks included this month. These are the Bling Your Things line of diamond cut flatbacks. There is tanzanite, crystal AB, and amethyst, all in the size SS10. These are perfect for blinging the MakerFlo Pen and Pencil, and they work perfectly with the 2 Rhinestone Pen Patterns that were included in this month's box. Next, we have some larger size rhinestones. These are size SS16. Again, there is the color amethyst and then the color crystal AB, as well as the color tanzanite. These will work perfect for that acrylic tray, or if you have some tumblers that you would like to make, SS16 is perfect for those kinds of projects. So in total, there was 60 gross of rhinestones, which is more than enough to rhinestone both the pen and the pencil, the acrylic tray, and have stones left over for additional projects. I hope you've liked everything in the April Bling Box so far. If you haven't already, I'd love it if you could like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, let me know in the comments which of the items in this month's box you've liked the most. You can order most of the items individually, so I will post a link to all the products in the description below, and stick around for a few more seconds and I will let you know how you can order next month's box. Then the final items that we have to tie everything together in this month's Bling Box is the 2 Rhinestone Patterns. There's the dual swirl and the stripe swirl. The patterns will be available to download in your online account after the boxes ship. All of our patterns do include the rhinestone size, the number of rows for the height and the width, plus the total number of rhinestones in the project. I also include a color key which shows the number of rhinestones for each color, and even though we show the pattern in a certain color, you as the bling artist, you can change the colors. You get to decide whatever colors you'd like to use. If you'd like to order our next month's Bling Box, they are available for pre-order starting on the 15th of each month. Then the boxes ship between the 1st and the 5th of the following month. And you can also join us in our private Facebook group where I do live tutorials to show you what's in the box as well as how to work on the projects and answer any questions that you may have. So thanks for unboxing the April Bling Box with me. I can't wait for you to be a member of the Bling crew and join us for next month's Bling Box. See you soon!